Day 2 of Frans Space Cream. What are we going to have today? I've noticed these perforations are a little stiff. If you're trying to save them, good luck. But that does make nice for shipping, you know, and stuff. And the dividers here are pretty thin, so be a little careful. Oh boy. Italian ices. I'm getting ready to sneeze. Sorry about that. Italian ices. What does this smell like? It's sweet. Like it came out of an ice cream truck. Let me get some stuff together for the shave, lather this up, and I'll be right back. I'll roll that intro to keep you busy while I'm hard at work. All right, I'm back. Got some lather made. I'm gonna spray a little water on my face here. Man, this scent, I can't really place my finger on it. I got it whipped up here in the Captain's Choice copper bowl using my Doppler brush by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And the lather on this just, boom, lather, exploded everywhere. And I made a big mess. And I was thinking about this scent. I was trying to figure it out. I let my wife smell it. She enjoyed it. She couldn't really put her finger on it either. I did cheat while I was making lather, and I typed in there, you know, the Italian ices to see if that could help me, and it really didn't help me. I don't believe I ever saw this on the ice cream truck either. But it would be like a shaved ice, of course. And the scent on here, it's like fruity, and I can't really pick out like a mango or lemon or orange or cherry or anything like that. And so as I was kind of, you know, getting the wafts and stuff as I was making it, it kind of hit me what I feel like it smells like. The razor today is going to be the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Artifact. This is my number 2 razor, favorite razor out of the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements lineup. I have a brand new Gillette 7 o'clock yellow in there. Past number 1 with the green. Of course, I've got 1 day's worth of stubble. Loads of residual slickness. And this razor loves to give out the extra little water droplets as you're shaving, with that hidden unique design in the base plate. Anyway, if you're dying to know, you might already know what this scent smells like. To me, I get like a Fruity Pebbles vibe to it. It's a nice kind of sweet, can't place your finger on it scent. And I could just imagine if Douglas and Fran release this, and thank you to Douglas and Fran, by the way, for sending this set to me. I can just imagine the label or the artwork with this. I can just vision some kind of little alien creature, you know, a little tiny tot with its mother or father at this small little UFO kind of thing hovering about on their strange planet, and the baby or the little child alien, I can imagine holding this cup, you know, where he just got it out of the spacecraft. And since it's shaved ice and it's probably this fruity, take note, Douglas, this is a good idea. No, I'm just joking. Anyway, this cup that they're holding, this delicious goodiness, is a bunch of tiny cubes that are multiple colors, and the alien is just all excited. He can't wait to, I don't know, but it sounds good. Kind of like a bowl of Fruity Pebbles. I do remember eating those when I was little. I think the color scheme in the Pebbles is just to entice the children while they're going down the aisle to pick out cereal with their mom. Because if you were to ever to eat them singly by color, you could not pick out any certain fruit taste. A nice, fluffy, slick lather. Never disappoints. I would be curious to see what the scent profile really is on this. I know somebody that might know. Hey, oh, Jerry! What's the scent profile on there? Oh, you have to get back to me? Okay. Well, anyway, my Italian friend Jerry, he probably knows. And I can't really ask him right now because it's pretty early in the morning. He's probably not awake yet in Florida. And I can't stop the video to go ask him. I'm not even sure. I don't know, he may have got this. I didn't ask him whenever mine came in. So, Jerry, if you're watching, comment below and let me know, when you were a kid, did you see the Italian ice? If so, what flavor was it? Or if my normal viewers are watching, let me know what you thought the Italian ice flavor scent was, or taste. Do they even do ice cream trucks these days? I don't know. I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. Of course, no nicks, gushers, weepers, bleeders. Here's the matching splash. Come on, baby. This is a fun scent. I like this one. If it comes to life, I really hope it does. Little star jelly. This is a fun scent. If you're into like the rabid peach, rabid banana, you know, any of those flavors, this one would be nice. I don't expect it to be an everlasting scent throughout the day because it's that fruitiness, but yeah, I think it would be a fun one. I would like to see it come to life, and if it does, you'll probably see it on the channel because I'll pick it up and buy it. All right, well, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used. Is my camera tilted? Ooh. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 3 for the Space Cream Advent Calendar. This is fun. I'll see you then.